Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 267 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out the AOA Studio Wonder Baked Eyeshadow that I have here in the shade Poetic, but this comes in so many different shades on the ShopMissA website. It comes in 24 different shades, which I feel like is so many for an eyeshadow singles collection. So since this is from ShopMissA, it's only $1. It's cruelty-free, it's paraben-free. I love the brand AOA Studio, and I actually did a ShopMissA haul and I got so much new stuff, and this is the first product that I'm trying out from my new haul. I want to go ahead and swatch this. And I love that the only packaging that this comes with is this little plastic cover for the makeup. So very minimal packaging, minimal waste, which I really appreciate. So this color, online it looked like a very light pink, and it claims to be a soft pink with a silver kind of sheen to it. But in person, it definitely looks kind of purpley mauve. So let's see how it actually swatches. So it's really hard to show up on camera. Sometimes when I angle my hand, you can see it. But wow, this has really, really beautiful sheen, and it is actually a light pink color now that I've swatched it. And since this is a baked eyeshadow, it does have that dry, powdery texture that baked products have. But this does have good pigment, and the color is kind of buildable, even though it's not super opaque. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to my eye. I'm gonna start out by applying it dry with my finger. Oh wow! Okay, this actually applies with really pretty pigment. I wasn't sure if applying it this way was going to be pigmented enough for me, but wow, no, this is actually very beautiful, very metallic, and now that it's on my eyelid, I feel like I'm able to build it up to full opaque color. It's just more of a lighter shade, which is what I decided to purchase, even though they do have a lot of shades and darker shades. But I did want a light pink metallic-y color. Wow, that's actually super quick and easy to apply. It has really, really beautiful metallic shine, and it's very shimmery without having any glitter flakes to it. And I just applied this without priming my eyes or anything like that, and it still showed up with really beautiful pigment that I was able to apply so quickly and easily. This is a lot of product for $1, but since it does have good pigment, this is going to be able to last me for so long. So now that I've been wearing it on my eyelid for a little bit, I want to see if there's any creasing. And wow, I'm really not having any issues with creasing in any of my lines on my eyelid, and there are a lot of lines on my eyelid. Wow, this is sitting so nicely on my skin. I'm actually really happy with how this looks just alone as an all over lid color, but I know that this would pair so nicely with a lot of different eyeshadow looks. Since it does have that shimmer effect, it would also be beautiful in the inner corner or underneath the brow bone to add that highlight. But yay, this is definitely a really good quality product. I'm very interested to go back and purchase this in other colors because now I know this is a really good formula and it's so worth the $1. I could build up a really great collection from all of those colors that are available of this, and for so cheap, and really create some amazing eye looks that are going to be so pigmented, so quick and easy to apply, and inexpensive. Oh, it just doesn't get any better than that. A cruelty-free $1 product that is really great quality is my favorite thing to find, so I'm adding this to my list of those types of products. If you've tried this product before, definitely let me know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.